Welcome to our website. This video gives you a short demo about how to use the safePro system to easily complete the traceability for the physical flow of products in the factory and its information flow. First, select the function of product traceability from the menu in the upper left corner. Secondly, point the mouse to the column of GS1 barcode, then use a barcode reader to scan the GS1 128 barcode on the product packaging, which contains the information such as Geating product number, expiry date and batch number. As you can see, GS1 barcode sample shown here. 01 is the indicator for Geating product code, 17 is for expiry date, and 10 is for batch number. When the reader scans the product barcode, by immediately comparing the database, the system will automatically bring out the raw materials, their GS1 Geatings as product numbers, batch numbers, weights and other information about specific batch of product. And it can also display the direction of product flow, include shipping date, shipping number, client or customer name and other information. Therefore, if there is any problem with specific products or certain raw materials, the system can provide this search or check function for the supplies of raw materials, suppliers, product flows and other information, so as to acquire the necessary information in the fastest time to complete the traceability function for the purpose. If you are interested in learning more about our safePro solution for traceability, please feel free to contact us for further information.